Choosing the right accounting software is a pivotal decision for any small business owner. It's about more than just tracking income and expenses. It's about gaining clarity over your financial health, streamlining your operations, and ultimately, saving you valuable time. Among the many options available, FreshBooks has carved a niche for itself with its user-friendly interface and focus on service-based businesses. But before you jump in, a crucial question needs answering. How much does FreshBooks actually charge? As an accounting software expert, I understand that pricing structures can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. My goal here is to demystify FreshBooks' pricing model, breaking it down into simple terms so you can confidently determine if it aligns with your business needs and budget. We'll explore the different plans, their features, and any potential additional costs, ensuring you have a clear picture of the investment involved. Understanding FreshBooks' tiered pricing structure. FreshBooks operates on a subscription-based model, offering a range of plans designed to cater to businesses of varying sizes and requirements. This tiered approach allows you to choose a plan that best fits your current stage and scale as your business grows. As of my last knowledge update in late 2023, FreshBooks primarily offers 3 core plans: Lite, Plus, and Premium. It's worth noting that software pricing can evolve, so always check the official FreshBooks website for the most up-to-date information. 1. The Lite plan, perfect for solopreneurs and very small teams. The Lite plan is typically the most affordable option and is geared towards individuals or very small teams with basic invoicing and expense tracking needs. This plan usually includes a limited number of billable clients, often around 5. Key features you can expect in the Lite plan include unlimited invoices. Create and send professional-looking invoices to your clients without any restrictions on the number you can generate. This is a fundamental feature for any business that bills for its services. Unlimited estimates. Prepare and send detailed quotes to potential clients, outlining the scope of work and associated costs. This helps manage client expectations and secure projects. Expense tracking. Easily record and categorize your business expenses, which is crucial for accurate financial reporting and tax purposes. You can often connect your bank accounts for automated transaction imports. Mobile app. Manage your finances on the go with FreshBooks mobile app, allowing you to send invoices, track time, and record expenses from your smartphone or tablet. Client portal. Provide your clients with a dedicated online portal where they can view invoices, make payments, and see project updates. This enhances communication and professionalism. The Lite plan is an excellent starting point for freelancers, independent contractors, and very small businesses that primarily need a robust invoicing and basic expense management system. However, the limitation on the number of billable clients is a key factor to consider. If you work with more than the allowed limit, you'll need to upgrade to a higher tier plan. 2. The Plus plan, designed for growing small businesses. The Plus plan is a step up from the Lite plan, offering more features and accommodating a larger number of billable clients, typically around 50. This plan is well suited for small businesses that are experiencing growth and require more advanced functionalities. In addition to everything included in the Lite plan, the Plus plan often incorporates recurring invoices. Set up automated invoices for clients who receive regular services, saving you time and ensuring consistent billing. Payment reminders. Automatically send friendly reminders to clients with overdue invoices, improving your cash flow and reducing the need for manual follow-ups. Project tracking. Manage projects more effectively by tracking time spent on specific tasks, collaborating with team members, if applicable, and monitoring project profitability. Proposals. Create and send professional proposals to win new business, often with customizable templates and e-signature capabilities. Basic reporting. Gain insights into your business performance with fundamental financial reports, such as profit and loss statements and expense reports.